Question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. We are going to find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 82. This is actually a word-based problem, and we have to first construct a quadratic equation and then we have to find the solution. Okay, let us see. We have two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Using this information, we are going to construct one quadratic equation. Okay, first let me write, let x be one number. We have two numbers. I have taken here one number as x. When we add these two numbers, we are supposed to get how much? 27. What will be this number? If x goes to other side, we'll be getting here 27 minus x. Let this be the same number I'm writing here, then equal to 27 minus x. Then the other number equal to, we can write 27 minus x. But the question says clearly the product is 182. So by question, x into 27 minus x, we get here how much? 182. These are the two numbers, one is x and other is 27 minus x. When we multiply, we are supposed to get 182. Therefore the question says product is 182. Okay, let us see. X into 27 will be getting here 27x. X into minus x square equal to 182. Okay, look at here properly. We have here 27x minus x square is 182. If these two terms go on the right hand side, we'll have 0 on the left hand side now, and then there we will get x square. Negative becomes positive, so plus x square. 27x, the sign is positive, so when it goes there it becomes minus 27x. Then already the sign of this constant term 182 was plus only, so 182. So 0 equal to x square minus 27x plus 182. Instead you can write this one, you can write on the left hand side, and 0 you can write on the right hand side. So directly let me write here x square minus 27x, then here plus 182 equal to 0. So let's see how we are going to split the middle term. Product should be how much? Product should be, this is 1 and this is 182. So the product should be 182. So what is the sign of the constant term? This is plus. So the sum should be how much? 27. We are going to look for the two numbers whose product is 182 and the sum is 27. So let me write product is 182 and sum is 27. Okay, so when the numbers are smaller, we can just calculate from our mind. But when the number becomes bigger, how shall we do? So let us do in this way. This 182, let me factorize first. Here 2, 9, 1. Okay, so let me go with 7. 7, 1 is 7, 7, 3, 21. And then 13 is a prime number, so I have to stop here. We have here 2, 7 and 13. What does it mean? When you multiply 2 and 7 and 13, you'll be getting 182. Okay, so let me do like this. 2 into 7, how much you'll get? You'll be getting here 14. So 14 into 13, I'm sure you'll be getting here 182. And if you add 14 and these 13, how much you'll be getting now? You'll be getting here you'll be getting 27. So 14 and 13, these are the two numbers whose product is 182 and sum is 27. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Now I'm taking here 2 and 7, I'm getting 14. Instead, we can find in different ways. Okay, sometimes 13 and 2, I just make as a group. 2 into 13, you'll be getting 26. 26 into 7, I'm sure you'll be getting here 122, 182. But when you add 26 and 7, you'll be getting here 33. But I need to get 27. So this is how we're going to find the pair of the numbers. But for now, we'll be taking 14 and 13. X square minus 14 plus 13. Then here x plus 182 equal to 0. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. And then here, from these two terms, I can take only x common. So here x, then x minus 14. What sign is this? Minus. I'll take 13 common. So 13 into x, 13x. Minus into what? It will give plus, minus into minus. Then we have seen before, 13 into 14, we got 182. So 13 into how much it will give 182? 14. Now we have x minus 14, x minus 14. So we'll take here x minus 14. And then here x minus 13 equal to 0. Okay. Either x minus 14 equal to 0 or x minus 13 equal to 0. Implies x equal to minus 14 goes to other side, it becomes plus 14. And when minus 13 goes to other side, it becomes how much? Plus 13. We get here two different values of x. One is 14 and other is 13. I will not do in a shortcut manner. Let me do with the correct process. So when x is 14, what is the value of 27 minus x? Similarly, when x is 13, what will be the value of 27 minus x? Let me find out. So when, no need to write this part again. When x is 14, what is the other number? 27 minus x. 27 minus x equal to 27 minus 14, and we have now 13. Similarly, when x is 13, the value of 27 minus x will be how much? 27 minus 13. Then we have here 14. So let's see. When this number is 14, then the other number is 13. So when the first number is 13, the other number is 14. That means these are 14 and 13. Or you can say 13 and 14. No problem. So therefore, the required numbers are, you can say 14 and 13. Or you can say 13 and 14. Or you can say like this, or 13 and 14. So 14 and 13 or 13 and 14, I think it carries same meaning only. You can choose one of them or you can write both in this manner. Okay, we have question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Okay, so the question is talking about a right angle triangle. So let me just draw once roughly. Okay, so I'll take this as the base. This base is, let me say here x, and here the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, so this is 13. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the base is x, then the altitude will be x minus 7. Okay, this is what the question is like giving to us. This is information that we can extract. Let me repeat. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Now if the base is x, then the altitude will be x minus 7. and here the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So this is a 90 degree here. Okay, now let me draw. I'll give here A, and I'll give here B, and I'll give here C. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, and this is the right angle. Now the base is x, and the altitude is x minus 7. This is actually centimeter, so this will be again x minus 7 centimeter. Let me write here, no space. Okay, so let x centimeter be the base, then the altitude equal to x minus 7 centimeter. Okay, you can draw this figure here, but for me no space, so let me just draw here. As the triangle is a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So by equation, hypotenuse means AC. AC square should be equal to what? Sum means we need to add sum of the squares of the two remaining sides. Here the remaining sides are, apart from this hypotenuse, remaining sides are AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square. Here AB means x minus 7 whole square. BC means x. And AC means 13. Then square. This is in the form of A minus B whole square. This is equal to A square minus twice AB plus B square. Now let me apply here. Please think that this x is just like your A and 7 is like B. So A square minus twice AB plus B square. Then plus this x square. And then we have 13 square is 169. Okay, so x square plus x square, we have twice x square, then minus 2 7 14, so 14x plus, and this is 49. 7 square is 49, then equal to 169. So twice x square minus 14x plus 49. Let me bring this 169 to the left hand side. Now it becomes minus 169, then equal to 0. Then twice x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. I'll continue here. Implies we have here 2, 14 and 120. So let me take 2 common here. Then here x square minus 7x minus 60, then equal to 0. So in the next step, what happened? 2 will divide this 0, so that we will be getting here 0, because 0 divided by 2 means we'll get here 0. And then we have x square minus 7x minus 60. Now we have to split the middle term. Product should be how much? 1 into 60. We have here 60. So what is the sign of the constant term? We have minus. Minus means difference should be how much? 7. We need to multiply the two numbers, so that I'm getting here 60. So the product of the two numbers is 60 and the difference is 7. So let me write 12 into 5 is 60. 12 minus 5, we have 7. So this 7 will be splitted in the form of 7, means we can write 12 minus 5. Then here x minus 60 equal to 0. Now we have x square minus 12x minus into minus plus. So 5x minus 60 equal to 0. I'll take x common now. Then here x minus 12 plus, then 5 x minus 12 equal to 0. So now x minus 12 x minus 12. X minus 12, I'll take common, then remaining is x plus 5. So x plus 5 equal to 0. So either x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So we can remove this bracket, nothing wrong. And then we get here x equal to 12, and then here we get x equal to minus 5. Let me drag the board a little bit. Let me reject this value of x equal to minus 5 because inside we don't consider negative. So you can write here rejected x equal to minus 5 is side cannot be negative. Okay, I'll continue here. So when x is 12, this value of x minus 7, let us find it now. X minus 7 equal to 12 minus 7, then we get here 5. Okay, therefore the two other sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. We have completed the answer here.